Came across this article, thought it was pretty cool. The Intel Light Show breaks drone world records at Olympic Winter Games. I guess I should have watched the Olympics and I could have seen this. Alright, it says at the South Korea Winter Olympics, they had 1,218 Intel shooting star drones lit up the sky, setting a new Guinness Book World Records title for the most drones flown simultaneously. Featured animations of winter sports. I'm pretty sure if you Google it, you can see it. So, gotta do a YouTube search. It says the Intel Shooting Star unmanned aerial vehicles, designed for entertainment purposes, weigh 330 grams, are equipped with LED lights that can create 4 billion color combinations. Stop. That is amazing. And can be programmed for animation. The fleet of drones is controlled by one pilot. That is cool. Gotta definitely look that up.